Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled in settings under Siri and Search, and that you're signed into iCloud on the device you'll use. Once done, grant microphone, location, and contacts permissions. These let Siri personalize responses and act on context. Now, launch the updated Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or holding the side button. Listen for the chime and a visual waveform. From here, prompt a simple task to verify responses and latency. You continue by customizing behavior. Open Siri settings and pick a voice, privacy level, and whether Apple Intelligence uses your data for personalization. Then create a shortcut or routine that ties actions to phrases. This speeds repeat tasks. Make sure to test multimodal inputs. Type a question, speak a prompt, and feed an image to see how Siri combines signals. If responses need refinement, adjust personalization sliders and retrain recognition with your voice samples. You complete setup by verifying sync and iCloud backup so preferences follow you across devices. Once synced, run a few complex tasks that mix calendar, email, and camera to ensure end-to-end behavior. If something breaks, revoke then regrant microphone or photos permission, reboot and retest. Make sure to collect one example that fails and send diagnostics through settings. This helps Apple improve models. If latency remains high, switch networks to isolate whether Wi-Fi or cellular is the bottleneck.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.